Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I turn this heel to that and then right back. So items you need are your scissors, press buttons, a pattern, velcro, candle, matches, clothespin, measuring tape and fabric. Cut out two 41 by 1 and 58 by 2 patterns. Next, I place my pattern on my fabric. This is a 6 by 8 inch pattern and I'm going to cut it out. I'll make two of those and flame the edges. Next, these are my 58 by 2 which I have sewn and folded. Originally they were 58 by 4, then I folded them in. Now all I'm going to do is pass them through my heel hole. Then I'm going to attach my velcro to the ends so it's stickable together. I'm using my pins to attach them. Then I would later sew them on. The pins help you know exactly where you'd want your velcro and to secure it. So I'll simply do same for both. Now I'm going to take my cutout pattern, fold them in and simply tie them around my heel. Here I'm simply going to adjust them so they fit perfectly and look really pretty. Adjust them to however size you want. As you can see, mine show a yellow. Then next I'm going to take my 41 by 1 flamed edges pattern and simply wrap them around the strap of my heel. The color of this fabric enables me to make each stripe look black, then white, black, then white again. So I suggest you use a fabric that can give you this effect as well. Notice that at the beginning of the wrapping you want to leave a little part out of it so you can attach your press buttons there and lock it up. So here I'm going to pass them through another strap and secure both straps together using my 41 by 1 pattern, and then I just continue wrapping it on. I'm almost to the end now, and I'm also going to do the same for both straps, putting them together, and then I note exactly where I want my press buttons to be. Make sure it's hidden inside so it's not visible. So I've noted where I want to attach my press buttons and I'm just going to use my needle to do that. This is basically the final look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.
Muse House 360 Degree.